Alright guys, I'm here. Get ready to try and put some work in on the Jeep. I gotta change the upper and lower control arms. So what I want to do is just get under there, see what I got. I bought some 4x4 core adjustables. So I want to be able to get these babies together, see what and how they work, and try and yeah, I got the tranny fluid leaking. I changed the gasket, so that should stop the leak. But just want to kind of get under here and get an idea of what I'm working with and take it from there. All right, wish me luck. Right over here working, trying to get these lower control arms out. I got numerous tools, working on a 98 Jeep TJ. Got the breaker bar. All right, perfect. Trying to still get out this lower control arm. Just need patience, tools, and you'll begin to get it slowly but surely.
And one day, because they didn't do the real work, the whole building crashed out. You say, Eric, the whole building didn't crash out. It's just the right side. Listen to me very closely. When the right side came down, guess what happened? Everybody lived on the left side got out of it. So the whole building crashed. What I'm telling you today is you can make money if you want to. If all you do is make
Alright, still working on trying to remove lower control arm on the Jeep.
I'm in Australia working. I'm all over the world.
Just wanted to check out the rear brakes. So I'm going to have to replace the pads on these. These are pretty much done.
Let me tell y'all something. You are gifted, but you gotta humble yourself.
I was trying to get the lower control arm out from the back here. So I'll try to remove the tire so I can try and pivot this out a little bit and get it out. I don't know why they put it in on the inside, but I'll try and see what I can do. Get some more leverage to get it out. I'm gonna have to take off I'm gonna do the pads anyway, but I'm gonna have to take off this piece to get this bolt out for some reason. I don't know how they did it. I put it in this way, but I assume that's the only way they got it in. So order some new shoes, replace the shoes. I'll do the fronts as well, brake pads, and go that route. All right, coming out to finish working out this Jeep. I'm replacing the upper and lower control arms in the rear. I'm doing the full brake, the drum brake replacement. I just replaced the rear shock as well. So I'm just gonna continue today and get around to different things I'm working on, and let's see how this project goes. Working to finish out on these rear brake shoes. The rear drum was stuck last night, so I had to bang it out with my huge ass sledgehammer. So that worked, of course. So I'm just gonna change out these shoes. Actually, this one doesn't look too bad. This one is definitely gone. So got the new one, power stop. Yep, mark these out. Spring for the bottom, so just gonna tap those a little bit. Take those apart. Just finished installing the shocks. So they look good. Got it all set up there. Alright. So just gonna tighten this up. To work on these brakes. Get these shoes out of here. Alright, so now we gotta release the shoes from in here. Alright. Push it in. Okay, just trying to remember where and how everything looks coming out before it comes apart. A lot of dirt and dust up in here. And this is up. Pivot this to move it. Emergency brake. Okay. So this is what everything looks like here. So we're just gonna mimic it and rebuild it here. This goes right here. These are in here. See how it goes in, hooks up, goes down. This piece levels against the back of the shoe, the inside of the shoe, and it just goes around in here. See how that goes around? Push that in there, and this now hooks onto this piece. And you just hook it in there, and then this goes and just feeds around, and then hooks at the top piece up here. Once you put everything back together, and obviously this hooks the bottom. I believe we have the new ones here. This Jeep, you know, it's gonna be a nice kick around Jeep. Did a lot of work to it, so I'm not replacing all this new. Still good. It could be brushed and clean if you want. It's up to you. This is the new spring. I actually feel more comfortable leaving the old spring in there, to tell you the truth. But you can always use the new spring. Sometimes I've found that they can become faulty and break at times. So I'll be using the original spring right there, and this would go here at the bottom, so it can be adjusted by the lever. Alright, so that'll be all put together in time. This is come out. Shut. It's good to go. Like I said, you can scrub these out with a wire brush just to get them clean. Showing you the placement here. But like I said, the brakes are new. This side was pretty good. This side was used. Obviously, this is the rear, so these get most of the contact once the brakes are applied. So there you go. The brakes. This piece goes under in the back from here to there with the tension back here. Actually, this is facing upward. This bevel is facing upward on the driver's side. And I'm climbing up in here a little bit. I'm gonna have to remove these and pull these back as I take this lower nut from the lower control arm to move it out. I don't know how they put it into this way. Apparently they took this whole thing and it was out or moved to put it in there, because that's the only way I can take it out when I did the other side. So I'm gonna switch it back the other way so it can be accessed from that side. Makes it much easier. So that's where we are now. So I got the two rear shocks done. I got the passenger side rear drums taken care of. As far as the brakes, I'm going to be doing the low and upper, the shoes rather, for the rear. The low and upper control arms shortly as I finish this one, and I'm going to work on those.